Most stock seats on motorcycles aren't the most comfortable, but buying a comfort seat can be pricey. In this video, I'm unboxing and installing this seat pad that is priced under $100. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel, you get quick motorcycle product reviews and tips to keep you safe. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more like this. Let's go. So this is the Airhawk Air Cushion seat pad that is currently priced at $90. It includes the following: a breathable mesh cover, the air cushion itself, and some straps for installation. Before installing, the first thing to do is inflate it. Now you could use a manual pump like this, but if you have a portable air compressor, this job is done in seconds. Let's move on to the install. Following the instructions, you first have to remove your seat, then place the seat pad in the desired location, and finally fasten the straps, making sure they form an X under the seat. Pop your seat back on and you're all set. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into some of the pros of this product. The first pro is how fast you're able to set this thing up and get going. Also, unlike gels or foams, you can immediately adjust the firmness by simply adding or releasing air from it. Another pro is that the air cushion actually is comfortable. I had it on for over 20 miles and felt no discomfort like I would with the stock seat. Moving on to the cons. The first con is that it does seem to shift around a bit when you first hop in the saddle. Also, I do wish that it had a bit more coverage in the back. Another con is that this obviously does add to your bike's original seat height, so shorter riders should be aware of this. Overall, this really is the best option for anyone looking to upgrade the comfort of their seat without breaking the bank. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.